Hello, this is part 2 of lesson 2, to investigate fossils. Can you tell me about these fossils? Have a look at them. Right, we're going to watch a video now.
Greetings, Immature, and I'm about to witness an extremely rare event, a fossil being made. Some animals many millions of years ago were buried quickly after their death in substances like sand, volcanic ash, or mud. Did you see that? Fantastic! Usually the soft parts like the muscles rot away, leaving the hard parts like the skeleton behind. Then, over time, more layers of sediment cover the remains. That's why fossils are only found in sedimentary rocks. Now, this guy's been under a whole lot of pressure, and in that time, the sediment around the bone has compacted to form rock. Water has seeped into the bone and dissolved it completely. Minerals in the water are then deposited inside this mold, and ta-da! A fossil is made. Then, over millions of years, the rock rises to the surface and is worn away by erosion. Man, I dig fossils.
Okay, that was a little recap because I think you've actually seen that video before. So, what I would like you to do now is to have a go at making your own fossil. So let's just see how we make our own fossil.
Fossils are patterns and prints that were created by creatures and dinosaurs that lived a long time ago. And they're able to tell us what dinosaurs were like when they were alive. I've been making some pretend fossils, and you can too. The prehistoric fossils start out as lumps of dough. And to make this, we just need to add some flour, some salt, and some coffee grounds, all into the bowl like that. I'm going to roll my sleeves up and take a spoon and mix it all together. Stir it all around until it sticks, getting into every corner. Now we need to add a little bit of liquid. You can add water, but I found that adding some cold coffee like this helps the dough turn a lovely rocky colour. So I'm just going to pour it in. And again, stir it all together. You can really see it getting very sticky. Now, if your mixture is a little bit runny, all you need to do is just add a bit more flour. I've added my ingredients together and I've turned it out onto a surface. Here, we just squish it all together. This is the fun part. It's called kneading. And it's a bit like what you do when you make bread. Now the mixture will stick to your hands, but when it's ready, your hands will be nice and clean. You need to do this for 3 to 4 minutes. Now here comes the exciting bit. It's time to make an imprint. I've decided to use a toy insect, but you can use anything you want, like a shell or a handprint. Okay, here we go. So we press it in nice and firmly, like so, and then make sure you peel it off very, very gently. Oh, fantastic! Now it's time to leave it to dry, and the best place is somewhere warm, like an airing cupboard. But don't worry, if you don't have an airing cupboard, it'll dry itself in 1 to 2 days. You'll just have to be patient. But just think, it took millions of years for real fossils to be made.
Okay, that's pretty exciting. I'd love to see some of your fossils. Have a go at that. Also, I want you to write instructions on how to make your own fossil. Use the following language: first, next, after, then, and finally. Number your instructions. Good luck and have fun.